What is Qubit? Ever wished you could be in multiple places at once, like binge watching at home while also shredding waves at the beach? Well, get ready to have your mind blown by qubits. A qubit is basically an ultra powerful next level computer bit that doesn't just store a boring 0 or 1. Thanks to quantum laws, a single qubit can crazily exist as both 0 and 1 simultaneously, a state called superposition. It's like painting half a tile red for 0 and half blue for 1, but a qubit maintains both those colors together through different probability distributions. You heard that right, it's both red and blue at the same time. Let that shake up your concept of reality for a second. This ability to store insanely complex information gives quantum computers their extreme powers for specialized number crunching that puts classical machines to shame. Qubits are like viral bits, except their going viral is backed by cutting-edge quantum physics. So while classical bits can only be fully 0 or 1, qubits ride a probability wave that unlocks exponentially more possible states to work with, making them the core reason why quantum computers can simulate and optimize scenarios too colossal for even the beefiest classical supercomputers to handle. Superposition and multi-stateness, the key reason why qubits are such stupidly powerful little reality-defying ninjas.